Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to change your region in Valorant. To change your region in Valorant, you need to follow the steps I'm going to describe. If you experience any of these issues, you might have an incorrect region of residence listed on your Riot account. Your region of residence is the geographical area you live in, and it decides which shorts you play on, which payment options you have available to you, and who you can play with. Now, if you want to update your region of residence, if you feel that your region of residence is listed incorrectly, they can help. After that, you need to get support from the Valorant team, then scroll down and click to submit a ticket. Then you can describe your issue in detail and choose a request type for which you want to submit a request for. You can select the changing region option from here and describe your details. Then, they will help you change your region. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.